Okay, guys, let's talk about lisk in a very quick one. Now, lisk, they've already done the ICO, right? Now, I want to compare. We will compare and see the ICO stacks on lisk, and then we will see how far it has actually yielded so far. Now, just a quick update with, let's refresh this and let's see the updates. Now, lisk is $22 dollars. When I got into lisk, I think I got into it at a much cheaper price. Now, that was already after the ICO. Now, their Twitter, they just released a Twitter post a few hours ago. With the recent rise of the popularity of the lisk project, it is important that we than ever to stay educated about the best security practices within the blockchain industry. Here is what you need to know. Now, they talk about security reminder about the lisk address, and then some of the best practices you should know, and the updates they are releasing with the lisk platform in February and some other stuff. Now, there is something they actually paid attention to. Now, this lisk nano and the lisk core. Now, those are some of the projects they will be releasing soon. Now, please pay attention to this. Fake websites or wallet disclaimer. Given the rise in the popularity of lisk, we are seeing an increased amount of fake websites and web wallets. Please be extremely careful when you type in your passphrase. We ask everyone only to use our official lisk nano wallet downloaded from our official website. Don't trust any third-party providers, and be careful not to accidentally visit phishing websites. Please note, given the decentralization of our blockchain, Lisk HQ is not able to verify individual accounts, freeze wallets, retrieve passphrase, or issue refunds for victims of phishing attacks. Stay warm and stay out there, and secure out there. Happy holidays. You have to be very careful. You have to be very careful in the crypto space. You should avoid that people, there are websites you see and they tell you enter this and you will get such amount of Bitcoin or what, or you will be able to mine cryptocurrency. You should be very careful. Now, this is the news that actually went there with Ether, one of the crypto exchange. They got hacked. Important. No, let's start from the when they okay. Important. We have a reason to believe that there has been a malicious attack that temporarily gained access to Ether DNS server. We are investigating this issue right now. In the meantime, do not use the current site. That is the issue they raise. And then 2 and 2, be aware the Imposter app has no chat button on the navigation feed nor the official Twitter feed on the bottom right. It's also being populated with fake order book. So what should you know? On that one again, important. Also note, deposits can only be accessed through user individual private key via the Ether data contract. If you have never imported your key on the Imposter phishing site, your deposit should be safe. And you see some of the comments people are actually making in the rest of them. So the space now. Remember, I told you that I told you that the blockchain is a very unique technology, and if the blockchain is a unique technology, you have to understand that it's being run under a certain under an operating system which is not very secure, which is called the internet, and also the internet is not secure, and also the apps you use. So that's why you see projects like Siri Labs. Siri Labs, they are working on bringing a blockchain OS and some other stuff. So when the internet came, they built applications that on the internet. So it should not be different from every other platform. As a blockchain is coming, these guys should be their own platforms. That is why you see Appcoms also coming. Now Siri Labs wants to bring their own app store and most of that some other stuff to help with security. So like I promised you, I said I will show you the exchange price for Lisk so far. So this is Lisk. It has given almost 300 times return in this was when the ICO was conducted, February. Okay, this is February 22, 2016, and this was the price around $8, 8 cents, sorry, and this is the price. So anything will keep increasing and increasing and increasing. So you should keep your eye on this projects, on Misigo and some other projects. So I'll be bringing you updates on some other projects that are going on within the crypto space. So with that, do have a very, very good one.